Hi students, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Yes, in this session we are going to discuss about chapter 2, topic Windows 7, and this is session 1. Under Windows 7 we are going to discuss about introduction. What is Windows 7? What is improved in Windows 7 compared to previous versions of Windows? At last, Aero features. Yes, students, will come to introduction part. So, have you heard of the word Android in your smartphones? Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, and now latest we are in Windows 10. So, what are these? Can you guess? So it all has a common name. Android, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10. Everything has a common name. Can you guess what? Yes, so these are called as operating system. So in this chapter we are going to study about Windows 7. What is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system that Microsoft has produced for use on personal computer. All versions of Windows is developed by Microsoft company. Yes, it is used for personal computers. What is personal computer? That which we use at home, office, yes, or called as personal computers. Next, it is also a graphical user interface. What do you mean by graphical user interface? That is, for example, do you know how to work with WhatsApp? Yes, isn't it? Do anybody teach you? No. So by seeing that icons, by seeing that pictures, by seeing that words, you are able to communicate with WhatsApp. That is why we say Windows 7 is a graphical user interface. That is, when you on that system, when Windows 7 comes, you are able to click start button, you are going to open with Paint, etc. You can work by yourself. And it is very fun and easy way. Yes, it is also a graphical user interface that allows you to visually interact with your computer's function in logical, fun and easy way. So what is improved in Windows 7 compared to previous versions of Windows? Let us see one by one. That is, startup and shutdown times is reduced to 20 seconds. That is, when you start your computer and when you close, that is, you shut down your computer, it takes only 20 seconds. It goes to sleep and resume faster. Yes, there is an option called as sleep and resume. Sleep and then resume after some time. Yes, it is done very faster. Next is use up less memory. How much memory it use? It use only less memory compared to previous version. Next, pop-up search result faster. If you want to search anything in computer, the result is very fast. Next, reconnect to your wireless network more quickly. For example, your Wi-Fi. You can connect to any Wi-Fi very quickly. Next, recognize USB devices faster. What do you mean by USB device? That is, have you seen your pen drive and all? When you insert the pen drive in your computer, you can read faster in your computer. So that way we say it as in recognize USB devices faster. So are you clear with all the 6? It is very important question. Yes. So decrease the startup and shutdown times by 20 seconds. Go to sleep and resume faster. It uses up less memory. Pop-up search result faster. It reconnect to your wireless network more quickly. Recognize USB devices. Yes, at last for this class we are going to discuss about Aero features. What do you mean by Aero features? See, Windows 7 uses group of features called as Aero. Visual desktop appearance. That is, your desktop view is going to change by using this Aero features. We are having different desktop view. These features are called as Aero. Do you understand? So first Aero feature is Aero Peek, Aero Snap, Aero Flip and Aero Shake. Do you understand how many Aero features are here? We are going to discuss Aero Peek, Aero Snap, Aero Flip, Aero Shake. we will discuss one by one. For this class, we are going to discuss only one aero feature, that is aero peak. Yes, what is the aero peak? Aero peak makes your open windows transparent, so you can see your desktop. Do you understand? We will going to see how it happened. So first you will listen to the definition. Aero peak makes your open windows transparent, so you can see your desktop. Nice. Next, it allows you to peek at items in your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. It allows you to peek at items in your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. You know what is thumbnail, isn't it? Our thumbnail. You know what is thumb finger, isn't it? So when you peek at items, it will be in thumbnail view. Yes, now we'll see it more clearly. So what is it? First point, it makes the open windows transparent. So can you see the first picture and compare the second picture? Yes. See how this happened. Can you find the glass like view in second picture? Yes, so you can see the desktop easily. Right. So how we are going to do this? See, at the last, near to date and time last, there is a button called as show desktop button. If you keep your mouse on that button, the windows become very transparent. Clear? This is what aero peak makes open windows transparent. Are you clear? Next comes the thumbnail view. Can you see the thumbnail view? When you peek at items, the taskbar, you know the bottom line is called as, near the start button is called as the taskbar, the full blue line. Can you see at down? So when you open multiple applications, yes, and if you keep your mouse on that application, it shows the thumbnail view. Can you see? Desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3. Can you see? One by one showing your thumbnail preview. Yes. Yes. Now it's time to recall. What is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system that Microsoft has produced for use on personal computers. What is improved in Windows 7 compared to previous version of Windows? So we have discussed 6 points. Hope you remember. Yes, go through it. Yes, study thoroughly. Next, aero features, we have discussed only about aero peak. Clear, students? Are you clear with the today's topics? Yes. Next, fill-ups. Go through the fill-ups. At down itself I have given you the answers. Yes. Note down the answers. Study thoroughly. Yes. Next comes the 2-mark question. There are 3 2 marks are given. Yes, all which we have discussed. So you can go back. You can study thoroughly and write this question answers. Hey students, thank you. Bye bye.